Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the slice tool in circuit design space on your iPhone. Slice helps you to cut one page shape out of another, perfect for making custom design cutouts or separating layers. Let's get started. Open the circuit design app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store or Google Store. Now tap New Project at the bottom. This opens a blank canvas where you will create your design. Now tap Shapes to add circle, square, heart or any basic shape, or tap Image to choose a design from circuit library. This will be the background or main layer you want to slice. Next, add the shape or text you want to cut out of the first shape. For example, add text to cut out word from a heart. Add a star to cut a star shape out of a circle. Resize and place it where you want to cut to be happen. This part is very important. The slice tool only works when two items are selected at the same time. Tap select both, tap one shape, hold and drag selection box around both items, or tap the layer panel, tap each layer to highlight both. You should now see both layers highlighted with both items selected. Look at the bottom menu, tap slice. Circuit will cut the top shape out of the bottom shape instantly. You will see three pieces now created. The cutout, the leftover piece, the main shape you want the whole. Delete the piece you don't need. Now move or resize the slice design however you want. If you are ready to cut it, tap make it, connect to your circuit machine, pick your material and follow on-screen steps. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.